ओम अखंडानंद संबोधो वंदनाद यस्य जायते गोविंदं तमहं वंदे चिदानंदतनुं गुरुं शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वंदे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्लोक 167, पेज नंबर 65 in English commentary. In Sanskrit commentary 46. So Jagat Hetu is Nityam. That is agreed by everyone. Means the cause of this creation has to be permanent. If that is not permanent, then it will have some other cause. If that is not permanent, then it will have some other cause. In this way, there will be anavastha dosha, infinite regress. So Jagat Hetutvam has to be Nityam. That is spoken by the scriptures also. Jagad Heto Brahmano Jagato Abhinna Nimitta Upadana Karanasya. That which is the material as well as efficient cause of his creation. Nityatvam, Avinashitvam. Are you getting any noise?
No, Swamiji.
Okay. So this is agreed upon by all those who inquire, Pramana Kushalanam. Those who have correct Pramana, agreed upon by everyone. And scriptures repeatedly, Muhuhu Asyaiva Brahmana. This Brahma is Jagat Hetu. That also they say. So we have given some quotations from various Upanishads. Atma Vaidamekaya Bagra Asit. Nanyat Kinchan Mishat. This is Aitareya. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Tasmadvaya Tasmad. Atmanaha Akasha Sambhuta. Yato Vaimani Bhutani Jayante, etc. These are Shruti Vakyas. And based on that, there is Yukti from Sutra, Janmadhyasya Yataha, etc. And that this Brahma Tattva is Utpatti Sthiti Laya Karanam is also said by some other Shrutis and Sutras. Tadavyayam Yad Bhuta Yonim Paripashyanti Dhiraha Sadeva Somedamagra Asidekame Vajvitiyam Tadaikshata Bahusyam Prajayet. So it is Jagat Karanam, that is what is said here. Prakritisya, this is Brahma Sutra, Pratignya Dashtantanuparodhat. The number is given 1423. Prakriti means Upadana Karana. Therefore, the Karanam of Jagat is Nitya. Laya Karanam is given, for that Kathopanishad is quoted, Yasya Brahma Chakshatrancha Ubhe Bhavata Udanaha Mrityur Yasyopasechanam Ka Idha Veda Yatra Saha. And Sutraya, for this, I was mentioning in Brahma Sutra class, Atta Charachara Grahanat. Nyayacha. So Brahma is Atta. So this is the Laya Karanam. Brahma is Laya Karanam. Aitadatmyamidam sarvam tatsatyamiti cha shrutihi asyaiva nityatam brute jagadhetostata sputam. Aitadatmyamidam sarvam tatsatyamiti cha shrutihi asyaiva nityatam brute jagadhetostata sputam. Aitadatmyamidam sarvam tat satyam sa atma tattvamasi. This Shruti of Chandogya 6th chapter. Asyaiva, asya brahmana, of this Brahma, nityatam brute. Tataha, therefore, jagad hetoho nityatam sputam. Asyaiva jagad hetoho nityatam brute. Jagat karanam is eternal. What is the objective of saying Jagat Karanam is eternal, Jagat Karanam is eternal? This is to do Nitya Nitya Viveka. Am I interested in Anitya Vastu or Nitya Vastu? What is Nitya? There is only one Nitya. Jagat Karanam is Nitya. Everything else is Anitya. So if I am interested in Nitya, what is that Nitya? Shastra is saying. Acharya is explaining. Otherwise, I will say Nitya Nitya Vastu Viveka. I don't know what is Nitya. The real Nitya is only this. Jagat Karanam Brahma. That is why this discussion has come. Idam Sarvam Aitadatmyam means what? This Etat Sad Atma, Sadrupa Atma, which is the Atma of all. So that is called Etadatma. Jagat is Idam Sarva. That Atma of Idam Sarvam is Etadatma. Tasya Bhava Aitadatmyam. Why this Atma, whose nature is Aitadatmyam, is all this? Means all this has their essence as Etadatma. So everything is called Etadatma. Its bhava is Aitadatmyam. Idam Sarvam. Tat Satyam. That Vastu which is known by this Jagat, is recognized by this Jagat, that Vastu which is Sadrupa, Etena Sadakhyena Atmana Atmavat Sarvam Idam Jagat. By this Sad Vastu, this entire world of names and forms and karma, Nama Rupa Karma, everything becomes Atmavat, means Atmavan. Everything has existence. The names, forms, karma means karyam, utility of everything, becomes fruitful, useful, meaningful with Brahma. That is what I am seeking. That is my goal. Tat Satyam iti cha Shrutihi. This is the Shruti. That alone is real. Aitadatmyam idam sarvam tat satyam sa atma tattvamasi shveta. That you are. Means I am seeking this, seeking in the sense, see, one is I don't know and I seek. This point, even those who are studying from some time, they understand. One is I don't know Therefore, I am seeking. I don't know what it is. So first, I have to find out what it is. Second is, I know what it is. I have listened to it from Shastra. But I have disagreement. Disagreement in the sense, I have doubts. I think otherwise. Therefore, I have to study. Because I don't know, therefore I have to study. I know, but I have doubts. I think otherwise, therefore I have to study. So this Jagat Karanam is Brahma, which is eternal. Nityatam Brute Shrutihi. Nitya means it is Avinashi. And that alone can be my goal. Sputam Spashtataya Jnata Vitibhava. And there are other Shrutis which say karma, etc., they will not give moksha. So karma is not moksha hetu, that is also said by Shastra. Na karmana na prajaya dhaneneti swayam shrutihi karmano moksha hetutvam sakshadeva nishedhati. Na karmana na prajaya dhanena त्यागे नहीं के अमृतत्व. So कर्मणो मोक्ष हेतु स्वयं श्रुति ही साक्षादेव निषेधति by न कर्मणा न प्रजया धने न इति. So iti, up to that is the quotation. So this is straightforward negation of karma not being able to give moksha. In other words, pure jnana. Karma, you can name it as some yagadi, you can name it as upasana, you can say prasankhyanam, all will fall in karma category. Karma, praja, dhanam, they are the means of manushya loka, pitruloka, devaloka. It is given in the quotation. Putrena eva manushya lokaha putrena eva jayyo. Nanyena karmana. Karmana pitruloko, vidyaya devaloka. So Pitruloka, Devaloka Prapti, etc. can happen through this. Karma, Praja, Dhanam. But moksha you cannot get through this. Then Kaivalya Moksha Phalam, how will you get? It's only by Brahma Jnanam. No anyatha. Through Anvaya Vyatireka, it is explained now. प्रत्यग ब्रह्म विचार पूर्वमुभयोरेकत्व बोधं विना कैवल्यं पुरुषस्य सिद्ध्यति पर ब्रह्मात्मता लक्षणम् न स्नानैरपि कीर्तनैरपि जपैर् नो कृच्छ्रचान्द्रायणैर् नो वाप्यध्वरयज्ञदान निगमैर् नो मन्त्रतन्त्रैरपि प्रत्यग ब्रह्म विचार पूर्वम मीन्स पूर्वकम उभयोः तत्वं पदयोः एकत्व बोधं विना पुरुषस्य परब्रह्मता लक्षणं कैवल्यं न सिद्ध्यति. Na will come from the Tritiya Pada, third line. न स्नानैः अपि कीर्तनैः अपि जपैः नो कृच्छ्र चान्द्रायणैः नो वापि अध्वर यज्ञ दान निगमैः नो मंत्र तंत्रैः अपि कैवल्यम पुरुषस्य कैवल्यम सिद्ध्यति. So all the other means, they are negated. Shloka looks big. Meaning is very simple and straightforward. Snanam, doing Ganga Snanam every day at 4 o'clock in the morning is good. It is for reducing some Dehatma Bhava. It will not give you moksha. Kirtana, lot of japa, kirtana, japaihi, Krishra Chandrayanadi Vrata means fasting, etc. of different kinds. No salt, one day eating, one day not eating, these, that, whatever you do. Ekadashi, Chaturmasya, Shravanamas, all Vrata. Adhvara, big yajnas, smaller yajnas, yajna dana, tapa, etc. Nigama means Veda Parayanam, mantra, tantra, all you do, different kinds of varieties. None of them will give moksha. What will give moksha? Only Pratyak Brahma Vichara. Pratyak Brahma Vichara Purvam Ubhayoho Ekatva Bodham Vina. Pratyak Cha Tad Brahma Cha Iti Pratyak Brahmani Dvivachan. Then Napunsakacha Sutra will make it Pratyak Brahma. Tasya Vichara. That Pratyagatma and Jagat Karana Brahma, their Vichara I have to do. And then their Ekatva, their oneness. Without that, there is no Kaivalya Moksha. So, other sadhanas are for Chitta Shuddhi. Jnana tu Kaivalya Miti Shrutya Nigatyate Jnanasya Mukti Hetutva Manya Vyavritti Purvakam. Jnana tu Kaivalya. So, knowledge alone, there is liberation. Liberation in the form of, I understand, I alone am. And when I say I, no upadhi, just Chaitanya. This is said by Shruti, Shrutya Nigadyate. So, Moksha Karanam is Brahma. Jnanasya Mukti Hetutvam. Jnanam is for Mukti, liberation, is Anya Vyavritti Purvakam. What is the meaning of Anya Vyavritti Purvakam? What is Anya Vyavritti Purvakam? Can you hear me or not?
न कर्मणा न प्रजया न धनेन.
Anya Vyavritti means karma, japa, tapas, other sadhana, they will not give moksha. Because somebody may say, okay, jnanam will give moksha, karma also can give moksha, bhakti can give moksha, Raja Yoga can give moksha, this yoga, that yoga. He says, no, Anya Vyavritti Purvaka. Jnanam will give moksha, one sentence. Jnanam alone will give moksha. Nothing else can give you moksha. विवेकिनो विरक्तस्य ब्रह्मनित्यत्ववेदिनः तद्भावेच्छोरनित्यार्थे तत्सामग्र्ये कुतो रतिः. A Viveki and Virakta who has Vairagya also, who has understood Brahma is Nitya, Brahma Nityatva Vedinaha, all are Shashti, then Tadbhava Ichhoho, Tadbhave Choho, Brahma Bhava, the one who wants, who is desirous of Brahmatva, Tad Samagriya Kuto Ratihi. How will he have Anityarthe or Tad Samagriya? In Anitya Vastu and Anitya Vastu Samagri, material, Karaka, how will he have Rati in any of these? He will not. So, Vairagya is actually from Anitya Vastu and Anitya Vastu's Karaka, Samagri, like Karma, Putra, Dhana, etc. Viveki, Nitya Nitya Vastu Viveki. Virakta from all these Anitya Vastu and their means. And the one who knows Brahma is Nitya. Then Tadbhava Ichhoho, the one who wants Brahma Bhava, how will have desire for Anitya Vastu or the means like Putra, Dhana, Karma, etc. So the one who has even Apatata Jnana, he will gradually increase his Viveka Vairagya. And the one who wants to get established in Aham Brahmasmi, Dridha Aparoksha Jnanam, then that person has to get rid of all unnecessary things from life. Then only this will happen. Therefore, Tasmadanitye Swargadau Sadhanatvena Choditam Nityam Naimittikam Chapi Sarvam Karma Sasadhanam Mukshuna Parityajyam Brahma Bhavam Abhipsuna. Tasmat, therefore, Anitya Swargadau Sadhanatvena Chodita. Swargadi, somebody may say, I am not interested in Swarga. But here I want something in this impermanent world. So, Kamya Karma I should give up. Nitya Naimittika Karma also I should give up. Nityam Naimittikam Chapi Sarvam Karma Sasadhanam Parityajyam should be given up. Tyaja Hanav is the dhatu. Tyaja dhatu, Yakar will come by Rihaloranyat. Yat pratyaya. Tyaj will become Tyaja Ata Upadhaya. Dirgha, Upada Dirgha. Brahma Bhavam Abhipsuna. Ipsuna. Ipsuna, what is the dhatu?
A.
Aplid. Vyaptau. Aplid Vyaptau is the dhatu. Ap dhatu, Nyapi and Vridham. Vridha dhatu. Ap Nyap Vridham eat. Ip will come. So ipsu. This is the sutra. Apnyapyirdham it. He should give up. Mumukshu should give up all nitya, naimittika, kamya, all karma, all sadhana, everything, and focus only on moksha. Tasmat, therefore, Brahma bhavam abhipsuna, Brahma bhavam aptumichuna, mumukshuna, sasadhanam, कारकादि सहितम स्वर्गादौ फले अनित्ये यत् साधनत्वेन चोदितम काम्य कर्म नित्य नैमित्तिक एवरीथिंग ही शुड गिव अप. ये ब्रह्म ज्ञान इच्छु. And he should give up desire for putra, vitta, loka, etc. So, for most people who live in Gurukula for a long time, many of these desires, they go away. Even if they are not gone earlier, they gradually go away. So, karma sannyasa is being prescribed by Shruti herself. Now, somebody may say, why can't we do karma jnana samuchaya? So that samuchayavadi shanka and its parihara is said in next 4 shlokas. Mumukshor karmastu shravanam chapi sadhanam astavaddvayametasya swakaryam sadhaishyati. For a mumukshu, karma is also sadhanam, Purvapaksha says. Like Vedanta Shravanam, karma is also sadhana. Like there are 2 hands of a person. Both hands, when they work together, you can accomplish something. Only one hand is available, another hand is broken, let us say. Then, Swakarya Siddhi is difficult. If you give that example. Mumukshoho api karmaha shravanam cha api sadhanam. Hastadvayam etasya swakaryam sadhayishyati. Etasya mumukshoho. For this mumukshu, the 2 hands, jnana and karma, they will give moksha. Sadhayishyati. This is Nijanta Prayoga. Lrit Pratham Purush Ekvachan. And gives Drishtanta. Yatha vijrumbate deepa ruju karana karmana तथा श्रवणजो बोधः पुंसो विहित कर्मणा. Like a lamp, if you want to light, the wick has to be nicely pressed. Or even if you have the tip, then you make it nice stiff, then you light it. Put ghee, some camphor, then you light it. So karma is there. So just as vijrumbhite deepa ruju karana karmana, deepa vijrumbhate. With this ruju karma, the deepa lights up. Tatha in the same way, shravanajo bodha pumso vihita karmana. The shravanaja bodha through a person's Vihita karma, whatever is prescribed for that person, he has to perform. Then only it will work for him. So, Purvapaksha says you can do both together. The next shloka we will see. Atah sapekshitam jnana अथवापि समुच्चयम् मोक्षस्य साधनमिति वदन्ति ब्रह्मवादिनः। अतः therefore सापेक्षितम ज्ञानम अथवा समुच्चय। सापेक्षितम 176 says the ज्ञानम will give moksha or ज्ञान with karma apeksha. Sapekshitam jnanam, karma which will have apeksha of some jnanam which will have apeksha of some karma, or jnana and karma samuchaya, they all together they are moksha sadhanam. In this way some brahmavadinah vadanti, some people they say in this way. In addition, some people they say karmas are prescribed by shastra, so you have to do, you cannot skip them. Upanishads also speak about karma avidya mrityum tirtva vidya amritam ashnute. So avidya means karma, vidya means jnanam, according to Purvapaksha. So you have to do them together. And kurvanyeveha karmani jiji vishechatam samaha. You live 100 years, you keep performing karma. Bhagavan also says yajna dana tapa karma, you should perform. Therefore, there is no end to karma. Karmas we have to perform. Nitya karma until deha I have to. Answer to that we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Om Shanti 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 Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavanto Punah Punah Ishvaro Guratmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagi Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.